Ever wondered why some Indian meals just feel so satisfying, like they're doing something good for your body? Well, it's not just the spices or the flavors, it's smart food science hidden in your traditional pairings. So today we'll be talking about 5 Indian food combos that not only taste amazing but actually boost your nutrition. First up, a classic rajma and rice. So you probably love this comforting combo, but did you know it's a nutrition powerhouse? Rajma or kidney beans are rich in protein, but they're missing some essential amino acids. When you add rice, you complete the protein profile just like meat or eggs. Perfect for vegetarians, and it keeps you full for hours. Another food combo that works wonder for your health is buttermilk with Zeera powder. What makes it so great? Well, the probiotics in buttermilk support gut health, while Zeera adds digestion and helps reduce bloating. So the next time you make buttermilk at home, make sure to add a pinch of Zeera powder to it. Next, chana and spinach, or as many of you know it, chana palak. Chickpeas are packed with iron and protein. Spinach adds even more iron plus vitamin C, which actually helps your body absorb that iron better. So if you want to beat fatigue and build strength, this combo is your best friend. Moving on to comfort food, curd with paratha. Parathas can be heavy, but curd adds probiotics that add digestion. Plus, curd is full of calcium, which supports strong bones and teeth. So the next time you dig into a hot aloo paratha, don't forget that side of chilled dahi. And finally, the breakfast of champions, idli and sambar. Idlis are light, fermented and packed with good bacteria for your gut. Sambar brings in proteins from lentils and vitamins from vegetables. Together, they create a balanced, fiber-rich meal that's easy to digest and loaded with energy. So there you have it, 5 simple Indian food pairings that are not just tasty but truly boost your health. So the next time you sit down for a meal, think about how these traditional combinations are working behind the scenes to keep you strong and energized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who loves food and health as much as you do.